You want to make money with YouTube Shorts but don't know where to start, and you definitely don't want to show your face. I get it. The struggle is real. But here's the thing. What if I told you there are faceless niches that are blowing up right now and getting crazy views? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 of the best faceless YouTube niches with niche, on number 1 being the best among all, and how people are using these to crush it without ever stepping in front of a camera. It's no coincidence you're watching this right now. It's a sign that the right niche is just a few steps away, and it could change everything for you. The country facts niche is perfect for YouTube Shorts. People actually love quick and interesting videos about countries, cultures, and history. You might be wondering if it actually works. Well, take Happy Earth as an example. This channel has more 500,000 subscribers and a total of 620 million views. They've shown how this niche can really blow up with their every short ranking in millions of views, and the best part, you can create similar content without showing your face. Just use AI voiceovers and free tools like text-to-image and image-to-video generators. But here's the catch. If you want to fast-track your success, join my free Discord community and you will get access to a list of best free AI tools in the market. I regularly update the list to help you create videos like a pro. Plus, you'll be part of a supportive community where creators share tips, feedback, and results. You can join from the link in the description of this video. You've definitely seen these shorts before, those crazy experiments where something fizzes, glows, or explodes in the most unexpected way, and let's be real, you didn't just scroll past them. There is a channel named Dancy Explains, started in January 2024 and has already skyrocketed to 255,000 plus subscribers, with multiple shorts racking up insane views. 12 million, another 12 million, 9.7 million, 6.7 million, 5.1 million, 4.9 million, and the number just keeps going. And guess what? These videos are just basic science facts and experiments over stock clips or AI-generated images. You don't need a lab coat to do this. Just use ChatGPT to generate experiment ideas. Basically, the crazy ones, grab clips from YouTube, or just create images with free AI tools. If you've ever wanted a niche that's easy to create and has a massive growth opportunity and evergreen content, then this niche is just perfect for you. All right, here's something that'll blow your mind. There's a channel called Geo Globe Tales with over 1 million subscribers, and they've only posted 76 shorts. That's it. Yet they've managed to rack up over 626 million views in just a little over a year. But how is that even possible, right? It's actually pretty simple, by sharing the most interesting facts about our planet, like the most dangerous places on Earth, or why planes don't fly over Tibet, which you can very easily get from ChatGPT. And here's the best part, you don't need anything fancy to create these videos. All you need are some cool map animations, which you can learn to make easily from free YouTube tutorials. There are countless documentary-style free editing tutorials on YouTube, and it will eventually take you just a few weeks to learn such animations, and you can even create these animations on your phone. As for the maps, just grab them from stock websites. Watch this video closely.
Darker side of female psychology. Don't skip number 10.
What if I told you there's a niche that teaches people how to control their minds, fight off negative thoughts, and even analyze other people's behavior? Sounds powerful, right? We're talking about psychological videos. And guess what? There's already a popular channel in this exact niche called Mastering Mind Control. It's been growing fast, proving just how much potential this niche holds. Why? Because everyone wants to understand themselves and the people around them. And creating these videos, super easy. All you need is an AI voiceover and anime-style images, and tools like Leonardo AI make it possible, all for free. If you're looking for a niche that hooks people instantly and has no limit to video topics, then this niche is for you. History is a huge niche, but you don't have to focus on the same old topics everyone talks about. By simply asking GPT to provide you with some less-known, unsaturated, and high-potential sub-niches within history niche. Each of you can have a separate sub-niche within history niche. There's a channel called Stellar Sagas, which has nearly 400,000 subscribers. They focus on stories from less-known parts of history, like execution methods in every empire, and they're getting tons of views. You don't need to be a history expert to create videos like this. With AI tools like GPT, you can find fresh ideas and use stock images, AI-generated visuals, and voiceovers to make videos. The history niche is huge, and with the right tools, you can create engaging content on topics no one else is talking about. The best part? It's easy to get started with the right tools. The scary stories niche is one that never gets old. People love being creeped out, and if you've ever seen a channel like Tales from the Dark Side, you'll know exactly what I mean. This small channel is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views with simple yet effective videos. You can tell these videos are made with AI, but that's the beauty of it. If you can think up some spine-chilling stories, or even share real-life creepy events that have happened around the world, you're already halfway there. For imaginative scary stories, AI tools can help you create visuals. While if you choose to go down the real-life route, you can easily find stock videos or footage from YouTube to make your content come alive. Another popular niche that has performed incredibly well in 2024 is the brain teasers niche. And guess what? I've already created a full course on this showing you 2 methods to make these kinds of shorts, both free and paid options. I'll drop the link to the course in the description of this video so you can check it out. Now, there's already a channel called SpongeBob Knowing that has absolutely crushed it in this space. With over 1 million subscribers, this channel only started in May 2024. And in less than a year, they've built a full-time YouTube career. Their videos are simple but insanely engaging, like challenges where they say, "Don't say the same thing as me or you're out." These types of brain teasers are so addictive, and that's why this niche has such viral potential. The high engagement and shares make these videos go viral, and the viewer-to-subscriber ratio is so good that it sends positive signals to the algorithm, massively increasing your chances of going viral too. The wisdom shorts niche is a powerful one, and wisdom in folklores is a prime example of its success. This channel, which started less than a year ago, has already racked up over 240 million views. They focus on sharing simple but profound wisdom stories, like "What you do will come back to you," mixed with life lessons that motivate and inspire. The best part? The videos are super easy to create. All you need is a good story and AI-generated images to bring it to life. When I mention that these channels started just months ago, I want to highlight how quickly they've built such a massive following. If they can achieve that, so can you. This niche has endless potential for growth, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to create something that resonates with people and keeps them coming back for more. Animal Facts is one of the most powerful niches on YouTube, and Animals is living proof of its potential. With over 5 million subscribers, this channel has become a massive success by sharing quirky and fascinating facts about animals, like why cats fear cucumbers, animals found inside trees, and even animals living in sewers. These videos are simple but eye-catchy, grabbing viewers' attention and keeping them hooked. The best part? The possibilities in this niche are endless. There's always something new to discover about the animal world, making it a goldmine for fresh content. The beauty of this niche is that it's incredibly engaging, with people naturally drawn to learn more about the mysteries of the animal kingdom. If you want me to create a separate full tutorial about any of these 10 niches, just let me know in the comments. There is a reason of putting this niche on number 1, but instead of telling, let me show you why. First look at this channel rabbit's journey with over 2 million subscribers, with only 22 shorts, with their most viral short alone pulling in 164 million views, followed by another short with 98 million views, then 51 million, 44 million, 27 million, and then this channel Duck's Quest with over 900,000 subscribers. You know what's more shocking? Both these channels belong to one person. What they do is they use AI to make images, and then they turn those images into videos using AI. They make videos in which cute little animals fall into dangerous life-threatening traps, and then they show how they end up saving their lives. The hurdles they face these videos will literally make you cry, and you will be forced to watch them again and again. They make completely faceless and even voiceless shorts to better help you understand how to create such viral videos. I already launched a full detailed course on this topic as well. On my channel, I will leave the link to this course in the description, so you can start right away. And that was all for today.